Hello everyone, myself Jaya Agarwal, Assistant Professor Political Science from SPCGC Ajmer. This is paper second of BA part first, representative Indian political thinkers, Pratinidhi Bharati Rajnitik Vicharak, and today we are going to study about the scientific attitude of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, who was a prolific writer, thinker, and political analyst, and as he has wrote so many important books like Glimpses of World History, Unity of India, Discovery of India, and letters from a father to his daughter, India and the World, towards freedom 1941, 1941, and etc etc. So today we are going to have a look uh, what was the vision or what was the scientific vision of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, or what he used to think about the science, and so let's understand. From the very beginning, Jawaharlal Nehru was included towards science and modernity. It was partially due to his foreign education in his formative years. He detested poverty, hated superstitions, and wanted good life for the people through the use of power, machinery, and technology. So here we can see that he hated poverty, superstitions, and according to him, that by using the power, machinery, and technology, the standard of life of a person can be improved or can be uh, ramped up, and he wanted a good life, a better life for each and every person, and according to him, one should apply reason, knowledge, and experience to know the truth, full or partial, and truth as ultimate reality is eternal, imperishable, and unchanging. One can grasp it in gradual manner. Still, science too has its limitations. Along with reason, it can help us in attaining truth and reality. It is better to understand a part of truth and apply it to life. A scientist puts emphasis on observed facts and not on preconceived theory. He is objective seeker of truth. One cannot have monopoly of truth. Nobody, no country, no people, no book can have such monopoly, and truth is too vast to be purchased and or contained by any one of them. And for proper use of science, norms of morality and ethics are necessary, as it can be employed for evil purposes. So here we can see that from the very beginning, from the starting, and in his formative years, Jawaharlal Nehru was inclined, or was much, he appreciated much the science and modernity, but and he hated to see at the same time poverty, superstition. So he was of the view that there is a difference between, where we can differentiate between the science and superstitions, and by using the power, machine, and technology, we can differentiate. Along with, we can provide a good life to the people, by using these things, and therefore there should be he supported the logic or reason behind everything, and therefore his way of thinking was quite logical, and there must be a person should apply reason, knowledge, and experience if he wants to know the truth. In terms to know the truth, there must be, we should think logically, and according to him, science also has its limitations, and and the science in reality is the observed facts which can be seen, which can be observed, and which can be, as we all know the definition of science, which can the facts that can be classify the facts, and all these things, and observation is the main basis of science. And therefore he supported the proper use of science, and along with norms of morality and ethics. So while supporting, so while having scientific attitude, or while supporting the scientific methods, or having scientific outlook, Jawaharlal Nehru maintained a balance between science and ethics, and according to him, the both should be given proper equal importance to the ethics, morality, as well as to the science. प्रतिनिधि भारतीय राजनीतिक विचारक पेपर, ये हमारा सेकंड है बीए पार्ट फर्स्ट का, जिसके अंतर्गत आज हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू, उनके वैज्ञानिक दृष्टिकोण के बारे में। तो जो पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू हैं, जो उनका साइंस, उनका वैज्ञानिक जो दृष्टिकोण है, उसको उन्होंने जो साइंस और मॉडर्निटी है, तो उनको उन्होंने सपोर्ट किया है। इसके साथ ही उन्होंने पॉवर्टी, गरीबी, और जो अंधविश्वास है, विशेष तौर पर जो अंधविश्वास है, उसको उन्होंने नापसंद किया है, उससे उन्होंने घृणा की है, और वे चाहते थे कि भारत से भी जितने तरीके के अंधविश्वास है वो ख़त्म हो जाए, और व्यक्ति हर चीज़ के पीछे जो कारण या जो तर्क निहित है, तर्काश्रित, जो तर्क पे के बेस्ड आधारित जो चीज़ें होती है वो उनको अपनाए। और इनका ये मानना था कि एक व्यक्ति का जीवन है उसको हम सुधार सकते हैं, ये सुपरस्टिशंस हटाकर, अंधविश्वास हटाकर, और थ्रू दी यूज़ ऑफ पावर, मशीनरी, टेक्नोलॉजी, यदि हम तकनीकों का प्रयोग करें, पावर है उनका यूज़ करें, इसके साथ ही यदि हम लोग तर्क है, नॉलेज है, एक्सपीरियंस है, ज्ञान है, अनुभव है, उन सबको यदि हम लोग सम्मिलित रूप से प्रयोग करें, तो हमारा दृष्टिकोण न केवल वैज्ञानिक बनेगा, वरन हम इसमें से जितनी हमारे ये अंधविश्वास जैसी चीज़ें हैं जिनका कोई तर्क आधार नहीं है, हम उनको अपने जीवन से हटाकर अपने जीवन को आज की तुलना में बेहतर भी बना सकते हैं। और लेकिन इसके साथ ही जब हम लोग पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू के इनके इस बारे में विचार देखते हैं, तो उसमें हम लोग ये देखते हैं कि उन्होंने साइंस को अपनाते हुए भी उन्होंने नॉर्म्स ऑफ मॉरलिटी और एथिक्स उनको प्रॉपर उन्होंने स्थान दिया है। उनका ये मानना है, साइंस हमारे लिए जितनी जरूरी है उतना ही हमारे लिए एथिक्स भी आवश्यक है। सो दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे फ्रॉम माय साइड। थैंक यू।